No joke. I'm in the office area. You guys know we've been working on it slowly but surely, remodeling it. One of the best things that I didn't anticipate and kind of overlooked is that's where we keep all of our winter gear. And having warm winter gear is absolutely phenomenal when you get up early in the morning. So, is TQ in here yet? Not yet. Thought she was in here. She was moving the other truck. I was getting loaded up. Here comes TQ. So I went and picked up some pure calcium for the sidewalk. Super expensive, but it'll actually work a little bit. As of right now, we're 5 degrees. So wind chill's probably still 10 to 15 below. Good morning, TQ.
Good morning.
And yeah, we hope you all had a very Merry Christmas. And we're gonna go have a very merry morning.
Early morning.
Right. Anyways, we'll be back just as soon as we get to where we're going.
Let's go. Sorry, I haven't had coffee yet this morning.
I got you a whole cup right here, TQ.
Awesome, thank you. All right, so we're out here. Got to clean up this entranceway from like all the snowplow trucks throwing some snow from the roads over here. Everything's frozen. Thing about this is there's not a lot of traffic on the road right now, but you still gotta watch. We do have them coming. Looks good.
Punch through the ice layer, boss.
Good job. There's just a little spot right in the middle.
Oh, you gotta point out my flaws. I see.
I am the boss, you know. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're just scraping here, just busting that rest of that slush off the top now. Really, it's still frozen tundra, but Get one glove.
I get one glove? Did I lose a glove?
It's in here.
Oh, what to say. So TQ is gonna keep working at this here. Come right here and back drag this for me. Yeah. Just watch your mirror. So getting it back drug, got it all the way from the building. We just want to get as much off of it as we can before we throw this calcium down. Alright guys, so this is the main traffic area where the employees come into B door and BA on this building. So I wanted to make sure we got a really good coating here before they start coming in at 5 a.m. Babe, it's cold out there.
Alrighty, we're back here at the salt yard. He was just over there loading gravel. Now he's loading salt. You warm, buddy?
You out here talking smack?
I said, you warm, buddy?
You know, it is kind of toasty in here.
Do you want another one, babe?
Fill her up. Thank you.
Hi.
Who yelling? Cold? Sending this to Dan.
Hi, Dan.
He's sleeping in his nice warm bedroom.
Oh man, lucky.
So you might not be able to tell, but there's actually a lip here where the water runs for the drainage. So I want to keep this area clear, because when this starts to melt off, this area right here will dam up and then run down towards the building. We're already getting a little bit here. You can see this is ice and we can't get through it. So what we're going to do is heavily salt it. And what's happening is, from the rain the other day, it kind of just ran down here a little bit and then froze up. So I want to make sure to stay on top of that. keep this little ditch area here clear. Unfortunately, whenever we're plowing, the plow's running right along it. It won't get down in that groove.
Good job. So we got some nice drifts right up front of these storage units, and we're going to clear it away some. squeaky.
Pulling into about a 3-foot drift right here. Try to chip away at it as much as possible. So right back here where we started, bright and early this morning. In all honesty, I was hoping I had enough strength today to finish painting this room, but it took a little bit longer than we anticipated cleaning everything up. And yeah, just those snow drifts just everywhere. I mean, just everywhere. I mean, ones we cleaned up twice already, 3 times, and yeah, the wind just keeps blowing and blowing and blowing. But we got through it. We are exhausted. We had a great Christmas yesterday. We hope all of you had a great Christmas as well. One of my chickens are out of the cage right now, so I'm going to have to go get her back in. But yeah, good productive work day. We're pretty darn tired, I'll be real with you. So we're going to take it easy this afternoon. Got to get some trash here from old Christmas. You guys know how it goes. Yeah. Wrapping paper and boxes and all that stuff that we claim we're not going to buy every year, and then we buy it. But, I don't know. Makes wrapping stuff easier. Hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, keep plowing, keep salting, keep making money, boys. We'll talk to you guys later. TQ up. Peace. Bye.